In this video, let me show you how to unblock people on Instagram. If you have blocked a couple of people and you don't remember their usernames, let me show you a quick way of unblocking them. The first thing you need to do is open up your app and head over to your profile section on the bottom right. From your profile section, tap on the three lines which is on the top right and then open up settings. From your settings, you'll see a couple of options again. Tap on privacy. Scroll down from here and tap on blocked accounts. Once you do, all of the accounts that you blocked on your Instagram account will show up. Now to unblock them, just tap on the unblock option and tap on unblock. Similarly, you can also unblock any other person or accounts that you have blocked. And through this section, you can also add in or block different accounts by tapping on the plus on the top right. And here you can type in the usernames and block that person or that account. And there you go, that's all it takes to unblock people or accounts on Instagram. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys like this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.